Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about earrings. In many cultures, civilizations, societies, and contexts, earrings have been conventionally worn as symbols of cultural or tribal individuality, indicators of age, marital status, rank, or they are considered to have protective or medicinal powers. And in my opinion, earrings has different personalities and character. Earrings symbolizes reputation, status, beauty, style, character, and elegance. In certain backgrounds, however, the very act of piercing ears symbolizes pain and inevitable pain and suffering of all humans. Although in some traditions, it represents suffering of the ancient, holy, and religious figures. Pearls are the symbol of elegance, poise, and sophistication. They are also the ultimate representation for wisdom. Regarded for their calming effects, pearls represents serenity while being able to strengthen valuable relationships and convey a sense of safety. Pearls also symbolizes purity as well as integrity and loyalty. It defines the realm of femininity concept because the gem has been associated with love, beauty, purity, while the early Greeks associated pearls with Aphrodite, the goddess of love. Pearls are timeless, classic, and defines a feminine style. You can wear them during your first date, interview, or heading out for a nice dinner. Loop earrings. They symbolizes strength and regarded for international fashion. Being a circle, hoop earrings show unity, eternity, and completeness. They have been a primary of Latina culture. While they were once sported by kings and queens to imply power and social status, are now considered a statement of unity and strength. They just simply stand out, just like strong women who sports them. Small to medium-sized hoops say that you are friendly, sociable, and they make your smile look wider. They embody a romantic person according to study. The good thing about them is they accentuate the length of your neck, draws attention to the jawline and the hairline, cheekbones, and provides a visual interest when viewing the face in the profile. Chandelier earrings. Their eye-catching, dangling pieces set originated from the Middle East, India, and Greece. Did you know that in 1947, King George IV gifted a pair of diamond chandelier earrings to his daughter, now Queen Elizabeth II, as a wedding gift? Chandelier earrings are the symbol of womanhood. Women are known to wear them since ancient times. They're associated with financial stability, social status, formality, and class. Eye-catchy and elegant, you can rock them with any type of clothing. It will surely give you an enhanced fashion upgrade. Diamond studs. They are typically a mark that a woman who wears them is loved and special to someone. But of course, you can always wear them whether you are single or in a relationship. They are great for formal occasions. Diamond earrings are a classic gift to show love. It is contemplated as the definitive symbol of marriage since 1447 when Archduke Maximilian of Austria gave Mary of Burgundy a diamond ring as a promise of marriage. The diamond is the emblem of purity and perfection. It is the stone of vow, authenticity, and promise between husband and wife. They are a figure of light and cleverness, invincible and treasures. Heart earrings. The heart motif refers to companionship, commitment, and affection, and they are the most powerful sought-after gifts to female during courtships. Use of the heart shape to represent love as first reported at the end of Middle Ages. Heart-shaped earrings were a way to lock a loved one's memory, and many Victorian styles were designed suggesting remembrance, love, fidelity, to name just a few romantic notions. In other words, if you would like to win the heart of someone you adore, might as well give this piece to her. Mini studs. They are the favorites of minimalists. They are the silent way to express yourself without being afraid that it will remain unnoticed. It reveals that you are not into extremes, but would rather stick somewhere in the middle. Ladies, no outfit is complete without a pair of beautiful earrings. Women love earrings as a way to express themselves. How about you? Have you found your special pair? I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and I'm excited to see you again next time. Bye!